If you want your garden to survive winter and come back stronger in spring, stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how to protect your soil, your plants, and all your hard work. By the end, you'll have the simple, powerful techniques that seasoned gardeners never skip. First off, why does winter prep even matter? Winter isn't the end, it's the reset button for your garden. Preparing now means less soil erosion, healthier roots, fewer pests and diseases, and a real boost to spring growth. Get this right, and you'll save yourself time, money, and headaches next year. Step 1. Clean up the smart way. Pull out any diseased or pest-ridden plants so they don't come back stronger next season. But don't toss everything. Healthy plant debris can stay. Just chop it down and leave the roots in the soil to feed your garden's microbes. Those stems, they break down naturally and give shelter to beneficial insects. Step 2. Protect and build your soil. Winter is perfect for rebuilding. Spread a layer of compost over all exposed beds. No need to till. Let the rain and snow do the work for you. Then, cover everything with mulch or shredded leaves. This keeps in nutrients, prevents erosion, and helps your soil critters survive the cold. Do this, and spring growth will come fast, with less effort. Step 3. Mulch perennials and trees. Put a thick ring of mulch around them, but keep it a couple inches from the trunk. This keeps roots insulated and balances moisture through winter's ups and downs. Step 4. Prep your tools, beds, and systems. Drain hoses and irrigation lines. No one likes cracked plastic in the spring. Clean and lightly oil your tools and store them indoors. Raised beds or containers. Top them off with compost now so nature can mix it in. If you can, plant a winter cover crop for even more soil health. Step 5. Plan ahead for spring. Take a few notes about what worked and what didn't this year. Winter prep isn't just about the labor, it's about strategy. Good notes help you rotate crops and keep improving season after season. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe. More practical gardening know-how is on the way, and I'd love to see you in the community.